A dramatic incident unfolded late Sunday night in Agartala's Bhagwan Thakur Choumuhani, where a drunk man identified as Arindam, the officer on special duty OSD for Minister Bikash Debbarma, was involved in a car accident. He reportedly struck several other vehicles, including a scooter. The incident occurred at the Bhagwan Thakur Choumuhani Agartala area. According to the sources, a person named Arindam, who is also the OSD of Minister Bikash Debbarma, was driving his car under the influence of alcohol when he met with an accident and hit several vehicles, including a scooty. Arindam, a resident of Agartala Jogendra Nagar, is a TCS officer also working as OSD of Tribal Welfare Minister Bikash Debbarma. Being a government senior officer, he was senselessly driving his vehicle. He was not even able to come out of the vehicle after he made an accident, hitting several vehicles. After hitting a vehicle, a bike rider was also injured in the same accident.
আপনার বাসা কোন জায়গায়? যোগেন্দ্রনগর। কি করতে এসেছিলেন? আপনি কিভাবে বাড়ি লাগাইছেন এই জায়গাতে? আপনি কি ভালো অবস্থা আছেন? আপনি কি ভালো অবস্থা আছেন? 100 বার। আপনি কি ভালো অবস্থা নাকি ড্রিঙ্কিং অবস্থা?
Upon receiving the information, police from the East Agartala police station rushed to the scene. The driver is now in police custody and investigation is underway. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.